ओम विष्णवे नमः। गतिश्च सर्वभूतानां प्रजानां चापि भारत व्याप्तौ मे रोदसी पार्थ कान्तिश्चाभ्यधिका मम अधिभूतनिविष्टश्च तदिच्छुश्चास्मि भारत क्रमणाच्चाप्यहं पार्थ विष्णुरित्यभिसंज्ञितः. The word Vishnu has 6 meanings. As it is described in Mahabharata by Lord Krishna himself. Here is the first one. I motivate all the animate and inanimate things. Then comes the second one. I have pervaded the sky and earth. Third one is I have a great luster. Fourth one is I have occupied all the 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air and sky or ether. The fifth one is as I desire, the 5 elements are created, protected and dissolved. And finally comes the sixth one. I, in the form of Trivikrama, stepped over and measured the entire universe. That is why I am named Vishnu. विशिष्ट बलचेष्टत्वात् विष्णुरित्यभिधाहरेः प्राणं बलं शकारं च नकारं चाह हि श्रुतिः. The Lord is named Vishnu as he has a great strength and activities. All the Vedas and Puranas describe the great strength and activities of the Lord. विष्णुनामार्थरूपत्वात् वेदानामपि सर्वशः अन्येषामपि शब्दानां संहिताः विष्णुवाचकाः तद्वाचकास्तथा वर्णाः सर्वे वैदिकलौकिकाः. All the scriptures describe God's strength and activities such as creation, protection and destruction in detail. What is described by the word Vishnu briefly. तस्यैव एतस्यै संहितायै नकारो बलं शकारः प्राणः आत्मा सयोहैतौ नकारशकारावनुसंहितं ऋचो वेद सबलां सप्राणां संहितां वेद आयुष्यमिति विद्यात्. Claims the Aitareya Upanishad. विष्णुनाम्नि शकारेण रमा ब्रह्मेश पूर्विणः प्रणेतृताखिलस्यैव विष्णोरुक्ता तथात्मता. विष्णोः शकार इत्युक्ता वीत्युक्तस्य विशिष्टता अन्त्यस्थित उकारस्तु ताच्छील्यादि हरेर्वदेत्. विष्णोः प्राणत्वमात्मत्वं बलं चैवात्र वेत्ति यः स एव विष्णोर्बलवित् तथा प्राणत्वविद् भवेत् स एव मुक्तः संसारान् नित्यायुष्मान् भविष्यति. The knowledge of the word Vishnu is itself the knowledge of all the Vedas and Puranas. The one who gains this knowledge will be liberated from this worldly life and will be blessed with an eternal life. Like this, whenever 2 letters are pronounced together, they mean and describe the strength and activities of Lord Vishnu.